modern medicine has saved millions of lives. But behind its glossy surface, there are powerful truths, secrets even, that no one ever tells you. Until now. Secret 1. Your DNA is the prescription. Doctors are no longer just looking at your symptoms, they're looking at your genes. With bioinformatics, your entire treatment can be tailored based on your DNA. This is called precision medicine, and it's already saving lives in cancer, rare diseases, and even depression. What no one tells you? Without bioinformatics experts decoding your genome, none of this is possible. Secret 2. AI isn't coming for doctors, it's already assisting them. Medical AI can now detect diseases and images with greater accuracy than some specialists. But the real secret is that bioinformatics powers this AI, feeding it millions of genetic and clinical data points to make it smarter every day. Secret 3. Your body is made of cells, but your health? It's made of data. Every scan, every test, every DNA sequence goes into massive databases. And it's bioinformatics that makes sense of it all, spotting patterns humans can't. The scary part? If this data is ignored or misinterpreted, lives are at risk. And most people never know just how crucial this invisible layer of science is. Secret 4. New diseases don't surprise scientists anymore. Bioinformatics allows researchers to track how viruses evolve, mutate, and spread in real time. During COVID-19, bioinformaticians mapped every variant and guided vaccine updates behind the scenes. But here's the twist. Most people thought it was just virologists. In reality, it was coders and data scientists in lab coats, decoding mutations line by line. Secret 5. Medicine now lives in your pocket. Your smartwatch tracks your heart rate. Your phone knows when you're stressed. But behind that convenience lies a complex world of bioinformatics and machine learning, translating your daily data into medical insights. In the future, a warning from your phone may save your life before you ever step into a hospital. Bioinformatics is the brain behind the new era of medicine. It's not science fiction, it's science now. These are the secrets modern medicine doesn't advertise, but they're changing the world as we speak. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to see more of what the future of health really looks like.